Hello everybody, just wanted to do a quick video. I'm just kind of going over my videos today. Woke up sick and I have this weird cough thing going on, so I'm trying to do quick videos and not cough through them. But this came from Scrap Passion 01, and this is Betty, and she did a La La Land stamp, and I love the La La Land stamps now. They have just grown on me, and I love them. She did a pink and brown card, and this is just gorgeous. I don't want to take it out the package. It's just in a beautiful stick pin. Look at that. Beautiful, Betty. Thank you so much. And she's a June baby. Her YouTube anniversary is October 4th. And her favorite colors are pink and chocolate. And my scrap room is actually, well, my scrap space now is pink, like brown, and black with cream. I don't know why, but it is. And I have butterflies. But I just love that combination. Her style is shabby chic and cutesy. She's got no allergies. And let's see here. Her favorite chocolate is Gradella Caramel. What does that say? Yep, caramel. Yummy. Anything that you don't like, and she's not really when it comes to crafting, so that's cool. I'm willing to try my hand at all styles. I love that. I like to try everything at least once, because you never know until you try it. She collects elephant figures, flowers, and trims. Her preference are, like for craft stuff, are layouts, cards, and altered items. What she uses the most is ATG tape, runner, bling, and ribbon. And her wish list is to have her own scrap room, scrapping easel, and more spellbinders. Oh, I love spellbinders. I don't know what a craft easel is. I'm going to have to look that up. Scrapping easel. I wonder what that is. I have to look that up. Things to know about her. She is married with 2 daughters, and she loves to sing, loves to talk. She's a member of the Delta Sigma Theta sorority, and she's also a registered nurse. High five! Got a high five there for you. A lot of nurses on YouTube doing crafting. I think it's great stress relief. And her favorite stamp is the La La Land stamps and saturated canary. Oh, I actually got my first saturated canary stamp. Well, not a stamp, but I got the little stamped image somebody sent one. That was sent to me. And it was just so adorable. I was like, oh, so adorable. So, and then she sent me a thank you, which, thank you so much. That was just the sweetest thing. And it said here, thank you for participating in my giveaway challenge. Enjoy a small token of my appreciation. Hugs, Betty. And she had asked which stamps that I wanted. And I chose the cupcake. And I chose it mainly for this, for the birthday sentiment. No one deserves a happier birthday than you. And I love the cupcake and the happy birthday. But, in a very special day. I just thought those were so cute. So thank you so much. I love this, and I just wanted to let you know that your card and your gift got here safely, and thank you so much. I'm sorry I sound weird, but I'm like trying not to cough. So I'm going to scoot. Thank you, Betty. I love your card, and thank you so much for participating and for your extended friendship. I hope to have a wonderful new year, and thank you. I'm going to go ahead and scoot. Hugs. Have a great day. Bye.